Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. It is my birthday. Yes, today's my birthday. So I'm just going to vlog and do a spend the day with me on my birthday. This year we're not doing anything like traveling. Typically I try to go at least one small place, but this year we're going to just be at home and chilling, and that's fine. That's okay with me because that's what I wanted. So spend the day with me on my birthday, and yeah, happy birthday to me. So we got up, we woke up, and now I'm on the way to bring my son to school. Yeah, it's my birthday, but I still have mommy duties. Say hi, Jaden. Hi. Today's my birthday. What did you say? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. So yeah, I'm bringing him to school. Then I'm not sure. Like, I thought I had it planned out, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. It's somewhere between me and my sister are going to get our toes done, going to shop for some tops, or going out for breakfast. So it's somewhere between either of those options, but I'm bringing you guys with me, so you'll see. So guys, this is outfit number 1 to drop off my son at school for my birthday. And my birthday, and I got gifts. This year I went easy on the asking for gifts or requesting gifts because I wanted to do something else, so everyone is contributing to that something else that I wanted to do. But regardless, my friend was insistent on giving me a gift, and my sister wanted to give me something too, and you know, other family and friends will be giving me things, so I'll open them and show you what I got. But for the most part, my birthday is going to be for something else, which you're going to see. I'm going to show you, but yes. And also, this is fit check number 2. Slippers I got from last year's birthday. So just wanted to show you fit check number 2. Anyways, so this is from my sister, Michelle. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Girl, this is nice. I love it. And you all know I'm on my fitness journey, and I've been wearing that two same tights every time I go to the gym. So this is perfect. Thank you so much. I like it. I love it. What's this? Oh, this is a phone card holder. Oh my God, can we set it up right now? You guys been seeing me recording in my car, and what am I doing? Holding my phone. So this is something I've always wanted, so thank you. It's hard to open, but we'll open it soon. This is from Sasha, and if y'all don't know who Sasha is by now, you need to go watch some videos. So this is a Pandora. Let's see what it is. Ooh, nice. This is a necklace. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm gonna put it on right now. This is cute. I love it. Guys, period. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This is nice. Thank you so much. And then we have this box. Nike. Let's see. Okay. 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 This is nice. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Ready to. And gym clothes, because obviously I'm going to the gym now.
Never know you want that.
So one time I see it, I say, oh, did you notice?
Cause Melissa.
What's going on here? I'm like, how did you know? Oh, yeah.
No one.
I've never ate there, ever once. Any style, yeah. Do you want them fried?
Yes. Fried loaves.
What are you drinking?
Caramel crunch.
Is it good? I just have hot chocolate. If you know, you know. This looks fancy though.
It's possible to go back.
Guys, so I'm giving the birthday girl princess treatment. Hey, don't touch the door. Don't touch the door. This way. We're in the Great Hershey, guys.
Outfit number 3. I'm going to do my toenails.
Can't show the dogs.
Look at my phone. Hey, my sister is setting up my gift. Some more videos in the car, guys. More videos in the car.
Oh, and it could have gone even further. That's good. This is nice. This is nice.
Girl.
There you go.
Thank you. Now my GPS the right that's up. High five. Good girl.
I just said nobody never yet surprise her.
What do you mean? Like
Every
so
time,
guys,
everything I gave you was always a surprise.
it's
Like,
not like that. I'm talking about like parties.
I cannot have a party for you. Like, you never expect nothing from me. So that's why it's always a surprise.
What I miss?
What is this? Did we miss something? Oh well, it's old enough, so we're fine, I guess.
This is why, girls. Well, us, we don't put things together, but it's holding up right now and everything seems good. And I'm just driving, not knowing where I'm going, so I'm going to text my mother-in-law real quick and try to get the place where we're going to do our nails. Burb. 319. I like the color.
It's at 319. Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, this is outfit number 4. Going to dinner with Tyler. I got the shoes from my friend. My sister was like, it's like your friend knows what you're wearing every day. I don't know. I'm always in pink though, or a neutral color, so it works. And then this from Fashion Nova. My hair by my sister and Amazon. Necklace Pandora. So probably my last fit. I'm going to the movies after this. So I don't know if I'm gonna change, but last was after that.
Hi. Yep.
Picking up? Okay.
Thank you.
We'll tie it on there because it'll fly away.
Thank you. Aw, this is so sweet. Let's try to be nosy. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wonder who got this for her. But that's so sweet.
Hey guys, look who decided to join my birthday celebration. So as you can see, I'm still doing spend a day with me, spend my birthday with me. So now we are winding down. So far we brought my son to school. We went for breakfast. We took some pictures. We got our toenails done. Picked back my son up from school, which I don't think you guys saw that. And now we're heading out. Just Tyler and I, we're heading out to dinner. And this is a 2-person dinner because where we're going is kind of like pricey. So we always like do this. It's like anniversary, Valentine's Day, birthday. This is like our now to go spot to go. So this is like our thing. But yeah, so far my birthday has been like really nice, really going with the flow and just like enjoying all the things. Didn't feel rushed. And after this we're going to the movies. As you can see, my blankets and stuff. We're gonna watch Sinners. I've been seeing online lots of good stuff about it, so we're excited to watch it. Yeah, see ya. Look at the dinner, guys. Yum.
Okay, those biscuits for you. I brought you an extra to make up for the one you missed out on.
Aw, thank you. Is this from you, Jaden? Aw. Thank you.
You like this shirt?
Yeah. These crayons searching color in this life like it's all in crayon searching. Now we found love in all these crayons.
Said y'all wanted off.